Hello everyone, and welcome to the Xanadu Chronicles. We are Frank and Jim, two former Seattleites who did the whole work thing and were lucky enough to retire early. We bought a home in the Sunshine State and spent 14 months having it renovated from the studs on out. But even then, a home is never done. Watch as we tackle everyday life and all the random things that come with continually improving, organizing, decorating, and maintaining a home and garden. All in the name of creating our own personal paradise.
Welcome everyone to our premiere video. Oh my goodness, did I just say premiere video? We're so excited to begin this journey with you all. We're going to do things a little differently than you're probably used to. Because our renovation is done, we're going to give you a good old-fashioned slideshow to give you an idea of what our space evolved into. We didn't change the square footage, but we moved a lot of walls and reapportioned space to make it work for us. So keep this in mind as you see the space change. Next week, we'll start walking through the house and you'll get to see the finished decorated spaces. It'll probably take 2 videos to see it all and chat about everything, so I hope you'll tune in to see what's in store. After we do the inside, we'll tackle the outside. Then after that, it's life as we're living it today. Who knows what will be on the agenda, but we'll do our best to make it enjoyable and informational. Once you step into the entryway, the first space you come across is our main hall. To the right is where our new master bedroom suite will be, along with the laundry. To the left, you head into the living room and then the dining room and further back into what will become the library/guest bedroom suite. And finally, in the middle of it all will be the kitchen. So this is our living room space. It's the largest space in the house and the only spot that has a vaulted ceiling. There was an amazing fireplace that served as the former focal point, but we decided it had to go. Why? Because we're in Florida! But secondly, we knew that we needed another full wall for what we had envisioned. We only have 3 walls in the living room and added an extra window in there. Our dining area is technically part of the large open space, and we added fridge doors and a built-in china cabinet in there, so the space was going to change dramatically. As you can see, the roof line drops back to the typical 8 feet in the dining area and is adjacent to the now opened up kitchen peninsula. The former galley kitchen had a small eat-in area that was just a waste of space. It also had a sliding door that went out onto the lanai, a la Golden Girls. We converted the door to a regular one and used the eat-in space for our new wall of pantry cabinets in our fridge and freezer. So much better. We opened up the walls so we could have a huge peninsula and let the space breathe. What was once a dark, separated space was now a light-filled, airy one. Our old master bedroom was the largest bedroom space with a full ensuite bath, a way too small master closet, and an odd vanity built in between the two. Thanks 1980s! The coolest feature of the room was the full wall of sliding glass doors that opened again onto our Golden Girls lanai. Our plans for this room was to make it our new library office/guest bedroom. The changes in here were minimal, which definitely saved us some money, but what we did definitely improved the room dramatically. On the opposite side of the house from the old master bedroom, we had 2 small bedrooms and a small bathroom. Before the renovation, there was actually a door from the small eat-in area of the kitchen into this bathroom. Again, thanks 1980s. Another feature that is oh so Florida is a bathroom with a door that opens onto one's lanai. Why? So folks in the pool who need to use the restroom don't have to trek all through the house to access one. Oh, did I forget to mention our lanai cozies up to our pool? Naughty me. But you're going to have to keep tuning into our channel to see how we transformed our outside spaces into the resort wonderland it is today. So here's what we did. We took some of that old eat-in dining area in the kitchen and added that space to the old guest bath. Then we took the bedroom that was just behind the guest bath, which also has a wall of sliding glass doors, and increased its size by taking some space from the second small bedroom right next to it. So now we had an ensuite bath, a well-sized master bedroom that opens onto the lanai, and a new walk-in closet. Well, that's it for now. I hope we've piqued your interest and you'll come back next week to see what we've done with the place. I think you're going to like it. Bye!